Hello, my friends. Merry Christmas. Have a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. I pray that this will be such a blessed time for you. We've been through a rough year, but I pray that you will end well. So today, thank you for joining me on Cuisinease. And I wanted to stream live today, but my kids really wanted to cook. So they're doing a lot of the cooking, right? But I've done a lot of preparation. I've done jerk turkey and ham. So today I'm actually going to show you how to do the jerk turkey in the oven. Enjoy, my friends. I wanted to bless you. So I thought that would be a good, flavorful recipe for you to have with a difference at this Christmas time. I'm glad to be here with you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for just, when I started about 2 months ago, I never knew exactly what I was doing, but now I'm getting the hang of it. So now you can get a glimpse of where I do all my activity. This kitchen is like a little lab, Each day I just create something new. I'm really thanking God for all He's brought us through. We have something to thank Him for today. We're live. We're seeing Christmas 2020, and we're going to make the best of this day. This day, we're going to enjoy it because we have family around us. We don't know when things will change, but let's enjoy today. So enjoy, my friends. Walk good till I see you again. Welcome, my friends, to my cooking channel. This is Cuisinease with Chef Jacqueline. This is where you can learn to make dynamic meals using simplistic ingredients. I will introduce you to world fusion cuisines using a palette with foods from cultures such as Jamaican cuisine, English, Chinese, Italian, French, and so much more. I will guide you into creating your own personal cuisine or weight loss or just healthy eating, immune building lifestyle. You can even book one-on-one sessions with me. Visit cuisinease.co.uk. So let's get started. Something new, something different, something exciting is coming your way today. Enjoy.